We're in the York College Galleries at the Senior Graphic Design Exhibition. Aspiration magazine by Lena Tan. She wrote, designed, illustrated, and produced a gorgeous magazine all about lettering. This was her aspiration, to create an entire magazine herself.
I wanted to really explore my own lettering because I wanted to show off sort of like what I could do. So these are all my letters and things from my sketchbooks, things that I've actually finished. I am extremely proud of what I've done.
Tales from the Black Forest is by Rebecca Schaefer. Rebecca was very interested in her family's German heritage and decided that she wanted to make a very German-looking book. And so she did all of these lino cuts to illustrate each one of the stories. It's a marvelous tribute to her family.
I'm really happy with the finished product. I was able to do my own personal style just because of like how I'm carving and the aesthetics of like how my hand moves and stuff like that. It's really a great feeling to kind of add this to my portfolio as well and to kind of help me grow as an artist.
Kendra Miller created a book called The End of the Yarn, and this book is a beautiful story about how a little girl sees a piece of yarn and follows it through this fantastic landscape. Every time we looked at it, everyone got kind of silent because it was so beautiful.
All the work in this book was done with watercolors and markers. It's very like whimsical. I tried to make the whole thing kind of whimsical. I made the book with that mindset of wanting to get first place, but I wasn't expecting it, so I was really happy about it.
It's a joy every year to see these people go from wondering what to do to beginning to think about what to do to a final product. It's an amazing thing to see.